Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ke Shillong Lajong Football Club. Kepada ke Wayne ki club ke bapau bah. Hapo kanong ba Shillong ba ka time stay lam Bynñiaw. Kalau long ke bala Pynkhreh ban sedang banyak simbentab yang haga sama ilek kai jong ke I League nega bentau sunem arajar arpusan. Kaban sedang lemba ke Ïakhun Persya ya ke Churchill Brothers. Kabala bu ban long haga arpusau trik Naiwing arajar arpusau kapan long haga pornyo beji janmit ha SSA Stadium First Ground Polo. Haga bede begini ke benta nakalyang jong ke klub kalawan mi syakman lingba gilat patai kubor ban penpau bat kalaya thuru halor ki jing Pynkhreh bat kathong bat ka jing don jong ki player haga ni ke kinhon ke benta kini ke samoy yelek kai. Habaya keren bagi nong thok kubor menta ke sngi. Nakalyang kinong ilang bahak mat jong kini ke klub kila penparu haga bede bagi jing pempat la ban pen e live syaki paj ba haga bede bagi jing Ïakhun jong ke I League. Haga ni ke jing wan yekendo yikilat patai kubor lawan menedan langru da uba saibor sana uba haba lingdo uba CEO jong ke klub nangta u coach jong ke klub u Jose Carlos Rodriguez Hevia lembat ki arngut ki player ki bakintop yo Hardy Cliff nongbri bat u Frankie Buam.
Sibuk sana non aktif juga klub ke Shillong Lajong Football Club antang idon hande jadi karu di player ke jongi di Frankie Buam ba di Hardy Cliff Nombri di dan ru head coach jongi di coach Carlos Jose ba kumjoro ai haba modlang si ujung ke klub jongi de ka Aili lese kumagila permana untuk ka tayo berada bagal sedang kami menai pemerintah. Kan sedang berlasai kesini, kagem berpenukong ya kepa penjele, bat ngini ni orang yang kai haka nika season day keperluan, hapdeng ka Churchill Brothers, bat kajian kai kalau kapor nyewa jajan mid, hangtai hapo Shillong Sport Association Stadium. Tengah sobat berpau bajing ai kulai ki pajba ki ba juga syam ya ka kelok bojongi nagawe ka horsi pat bat hadu ka kelimat ka hadu chong ka tuka jila kai ka bladep ton bladep kalong sya ga jing ai mesin di kelok baro ko we de hagane kelimat ru hagane ki ka mantaru isno ban kemilenti ni ka juga jing ka syam ga ki pajba Kamtam haga game kawan kong ke Bynñiaw ile haga nika sing Sunday kawan wan ban kendu ya kawe ni klub ka rim ha po ka nika ri ke jongi ka bangalong ya fi ka Churchill Brothers ti haga nika jing ile kai kandon ka jing di tiket ha baro jing ile kai da ka ba ngin sedang bandi tiket na do la syai ka singi ba ka caka bandi tiket ka long hangta ya po presujar po electronic center nangta kandon dijing di tiket tu halai pra hapo Shillong Cafe bat kumjo hapo SSA Stadium hangta Polo te kamlo yepi baga jing di tiket kalong nado lasai kasni ka tiket ka ba taddu ka ba ka klub ka di kalai ka dai sispa sampo bat ka ba khamrem do kata kalong ka BBIP kagador sanspa tengka kita kilong ki bangilaban ba kilaban yo tiket haga jinge dai begini ka game ka bangsa yo haga neka sisali ka banwan esa sisir pat na kilang ka klub ngi da kerman scam bagi ba kinong karandin dan napdeng jog itu ki bangila permana latih itu ki kad kiba kilalong si benta ka jing I mesti ni dari apa hawa ikan mana ini sim ni kan long si bentar kemudian nomor juga kalau kejongi dengan scam ba kane ka wei syo kala ka long kejongi musim ni bagi pai pa baro na sing bam yo ban tie je ka kar no hak je dei bar kejing sim bentar kumban join ber ka family kejongi ke kitu bam yo ro ni da karpa ki begini yo ban sakhi ki na kai ka tana Haganika tayo kabamentahi kabalong hagasni Sunday. Kata kalong gajing permanana ilengka kalau kojongi.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm very happy with all of them. I'm really surprised with the level of the local players. Obviously, I knew a few of them, and after the Durand Cup performance, I had a very good impression of them. But what I saw in these 2 months is very, very good, and make me feel very, very optimistic for this league. What I asked to the club after the Durand Cup, and knowing the big gap we had from the last match of the Durand Cup till the first match of the league, what I required them was to have at least one friendly match each week, and the club managed perfectly everything, and we had 12 friendly matches in all this time, so we could prepare everything. Obviously, we couldn't play against the strong teams, the strong clubs. However, we had the minimum level required to play against other clubs, other teams that made us to get better every day, to get better and to carry on with the preparation properly as we expected before.
There was some news floating around about issues between the AFF and the I-League clubs, but in the last few days developments have been very positive. So we are hoping that all issues are resolved, by before the first match of the I-League, which will start tomorrow, and hopefully, we'll get an announcement by the I-League of a broadcast.
As the CEO of
So I think you can see from last season the broadcast was very minimal compared to previous seasons, and that's why all the I-League clubs came together, after Durand Cup in the month of September. And we have come together with one united front, a genuine request by I-League clubs that at least the broadcast of the I-League has to be taken very seriously, because it also affects, the visibility of the league. It affects, the sponsorship generation of each and every club. So it's important for the sustainability of the clubs also. So, and that's why we're happy in the last 2 months, whatever communications we've had with the All India Football Federation. So we will see, the positive developments now in the next, few days, like I mentioned earlier. Yeah, that is something I think which will be clearer on the part of the All India Football Federation and the I-League committee. But I think with broadcast, it's all about the property and all about the budgets. So, there, I think to broadcast about 156 matches, it's not an easy cost, considering that, the I-League clubs are based all across India, each and every corner, right from the northeast, from Aizawl to down to Kozhikode in Kerala. So there are a lot of costs in terms of production. So with that, I think there's obviously difficulty with managing the budgets also.
About such a brother, we haven't any information about them right now. New coach, new squad. Sadly, we couldn't obtain information from the practice matches. They didn't play any tournament where we could get that information. So what we had to do and what we're going to do is to face everything on our squad. That is the point we can handle. We can prepare. And what we're doing is to carry on with our preparation, with our plan, in order to get better every day and to perform as we expect with the highest level. And the same for the league, for the full season. What we're going to do is to carry on as we did from the first day I came here. We started in the Durand Cup with a plan. The plan is ongoing, and what we're going to try is to win all matches. Obviously, we are going to go out every match with the idea of winning. Is it possible? Hopefully, yes. It will be complicated, very complicated. It will be very hard, very hard. But the players are very hungry. They know this is a very good platform this year for the club, for the players, for the staff, for the management. And we're going to take advantage of this situation we have now. And we will do our best. And what I want to transmit right now, from this moment onwards, to all the supporters, to all the faithfuls, that we are going to give everything to the faithfuls, to Shillong, to Meghalaya, to become decent and milestone. And that is what we've got in front of us.
any target you have set for this season?
The best. Simple like that. I think you know what I'm talking about. The best target is the best target. Is to be on the top. The top target. Why not? It's not possible. It's not allowed. Is there any rule in India or in Meghalaya or You know, I felt that they don't allow us to be on the top. Why not? Why are not going to be ambitious? We are not mediocre people. We are very ambitious people. We are very hungry people. So we're going to do our best and to be on the top. We can. The talent is here. The sacrifice is here. The passion is here. The great effort is here. So why we are not going to expect for the best? We will try every day.
I've done more renovation as like a track of an asa. Kalong done like a jingsha. The ngilong na agent because na I did for SSA last season. You continue at least mental season for SSA.
Mila pakai mentala dan arbonai. Te borohi players kilai tristom. Te borohi players kia don kawai kicingtrang kawai kicingmut. Bang mental senen ngin jele kai bha bangin yo ban rai kini ka I league kini senen punta. Kai mental senen te ban compare bagi senen mental ka senen long borohi players kia fit. Nama last year pun players na do was dang kidon ki pam party fit yai. Ngri mental pat borohi long fit. Te plus ki foreigner borohi ya tristom. Te kacing wan joki kacing gerap joki long mental senen ngatrai ni bila ban poi becik thong.
Ki press ki baladon beta batnya ne report te mengi kum ki players kum club nadu ki management ki coaching staff ki players ni la long ki balapan Pynkhreh ne ga I league bat da kajing tristom jongi lang barok akanan bangin yo jabat umba kajing kersan ngakermen bagi paipat wan kesan yangi kum bagi wan kersan hakini di game baladep kam tam kadran kop bat ga ne ga I league ro baladep akanan bagi wan kersan ngi kunjuk bat akhirnya nampak kecam congki inyo kecam jam long game gabaya ini berkan day ro fast game bat kanong kabakam kalong kongsan ha bangin job nang ba inyo mesin nang lagi game banang sekemat